If your gods are just names on a page, you're missing out on the best tools in world building. So here are 10 deity tips I wish I knew sooner. Whether you're homebrewing, using Forgotten Realms, or other pantheon, this will make your gods actually matter in your world. First tip, don't make your gods perfect. Flawed gods are interesting gods. Give each deity one strength and one major flaw. A god of justice who's vengeful, or a healing goddess who's quietly manipulative. That's memorable. Second tip, tie real world consequences to worship. If people pray to a storm god, what happens if they stop? Make faith practical. Temples might guarantee good weather, healing, or crop success. Now worship becomes survival. Tip 3. Use holy symbols everywhere. Put divine symbols on tavern signs, armor, tattoos, bread loaves, anything. It makes the world feel lived in. If everyone believes in gods, their branding should be everywhere. Fourth tip, clerics aren't the only followers. Farmers, criminals, mercenaries, everyone should have a patron deity, even if casually. Let NPCs swear by gods and argue about them, or even switch religions like football teams. Fifth tip, rival deities should actually compete. Don't just say two gods are enemies, show it. Their churches undercut each other. Laws favor one faith over the other. Devotees sabotage each other's shrines. And that's how you get instant drama. Next tip is to have festivals, which are also a nice place for free quests. Every god should have a holy day, and every holy day can become a festival, a ritual, or a disaster. A harvest celebration goes wrong. A celestial alignment opens a portal, and it's quest time, baby! Now, you have to make divine oaths actually matter. If someone swears by the light of Aerith, make that binding. Breaking a secret oath should come with visible consequences, nightmares, bad luck, or even a literal divine curse. Now, another tip is to use miracles sparingly but loudly. Don't hand out constant magic from gods, but when they intervene, make it legendary. One storm stops mid-roar. One dying NPC is saved by glowing hands. Players will never forget it. Another simple tip is to let PCs question or even hate the gods. Not everyone has to be religious. Having atheists, skeptics, or cultists actually makes gods feel more real. The last tip is to give each god a secret the players can discover. The god of light once caused a genocide. The goddess of love is losing her power. These secrets let the players peel back the divine curtain and shape the world themselves. Now, let me know down in the comments how you build your first deity. If you agree or not with what I've said, what would you change, and lastly, what reaction you've got from the players. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube said you'll also like this one.